about to come into view once again. And the battle continuing then for the lead. Still Mark Dangerfield holding on to it. Still Chris Whitehouse on the 120 bike, trying to close in on him. 53 in third place, Sandy Berwick. And we wait for the fourth place battle, which has opened up a little bit now. In fact, we've got a change because Michael Rees has got ahead of Andrew Sellers and moved into fourth place as they head around on their ninth lap out of 10. Last lap flag will be shown when the leader comes through next time. With the blue and pink frills goes past me. And then the zebra, I think zebra is the correct description, the zebra skin finish and the zebra skin clothing to go with it as well. That's good. So we'll see a few laps from these road bikes and then we'll be getting the racing back and away. And the schedule after the Braves is the ATCC